Hi everybody, I'm Danielle, aka Dr. Fernandez.
And I'm Smitha, aka Dr. M. You know, there's so many things that we have to worry about as parents, and I didn't think bullying would be one of them until my children got to high school. But did you know a study in the Journal of School Health said that 19% of elementary school children in the United States are bullied?
Bullying can lead to low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. It can even cause children to do poorly in school. This is why it's important to talk to your child about bullying as early as possible.
But how do we do that? Here are 2 things you must teach your children about bullying. So here's the first one. Help them to develop empathy. Now we want to first make sure that our children are not the ones doing the bullying. And we can do that by helping them to be more empathetic. Now empathy can be cultivated and instilled, but for your child to be empathetic towards others, they must first feel loved themselves.
Yes, this is so true. In order for your child to treat others in a kind way, they must first themselves be treated with kindness. Make sure you meet your child's emotional needs by giving them a safe space for them to openly talk about their feelings.
A great exercise to do this is from the book Sitting Still Like a Frog by author Aline Sennell. In the book, she talks about practicing an exercise with your children called your personal weather report. She encourages parents to make time each day to sit with their children and talk about what their feelings are like inside. Is it rainy and overcast? Is it sunny and relaxed? Or is there a storm raging perhaps, she writes. This exercise helps children to understand that their feelings, like the weather, can change from day to day.
And by acknowledging them, they learn to identify less with them.
By leaning into their sadness and being comfortable with it, children learn resilience. When they understand that they are not defined by their emotions, but it is simply just the way they feel right now, they can overcome it. Leaning into our pain also makes us more empathetic to the pain of others. So here's the second one. Teach your child how to react to a bully. Knowing that our child is being bullied makes us want to fight their battle for them. But the truth is, we have to equip our children to fight their own battles.
Bullies love an audience and they love a reaction, so teach your child to stand tall and stay calm. Discourage them from fighting back. Instead, encourage them to either walk away from a difficult situation or to ask an adult for help, like a parent or a teacher.
Another thing you can do is to teach your children to look people in the eye when talking to them. Now, eye contact is an important form of communication. Not only does it help your child exude confidence, but it is a vital life skill that will help them in all areas of their life. You can even teach your young child to notice someone's eye color when talking to them. This will help your child look less vulnerable to bullies.
Finally, teach your child to be assertive by giving them a few strong statements such as, "I want you to stop that," or "That's enough." Practice saying these statements with your child over and over so that they can feel confident in what they're saying and be able to speak and affirm in calm manner.
Children often feel ashamed when they're bullied, and you want them to be able to talk to you about what is happening.
So remember to always prioritize your connection with your child and keep those lines of communication open.
After all, we're not only raising our children, we're raising the next generation. Okay.
We're getting close.
Wait. How close should we be? Like this thing. That's good.
We're done.
Right here.
We're done.
The end.